Hello guys, first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tectonics. On this channel, I will upload tutorial videos on downloading softwares. So today I will be showing you how to download Davinci Resolve 20, a video editing software. So, firstly, open any browser and search Davinci Resolve 20. Click on the first link and scroll down, then click on the free download now Davinci Resolve button. Select your operating system. For Windows 64-bit and 32-bit, click on Windows x86 button. It will ask for your details, so fill that out. After filling out your details, the download will start automatically. After downloading has finished, locate the folder where it is downloaded and extract it. And then run it as an administrator. Then follow the setup instructions and install Davinci Resolve on your PC. Open it up and enjoy. If you found my video helpful, do consider subscribing and liking my video. It would help a lot. See you guys in another video. Till then, bye.